cafe because you can experience a new thing in it, and it's a surprise. I will show you what's waiting for us in that cafe. So we chose Airo Cafe for eating breakfast here. Airo in Persian language means Iran, and it's a really colorful and beautiful cafe. We ordered bacon omelette and tomato omelette, and I heard that the breakfast of this cafe is really delicious. And after that, we are going to experience some pottery here because it's a pottery cafe, and that's why I chose this cafe to eat breakfast here. And I see that in their Instagram page that it's one of their works in pottery shop there, and I will show you amazing stuff because they have really special travel mugs, and they all created in their own pottery shop. So this is bacon omelette, and this one is simple omelette, or we call it tomato omelette.
اینجوری ورزش دادی دیگه، حالا برای اینکه یه ذرم می‌بینی الان این گله یه کمی چیزا یه ضربه هایی میزنی دیگه کامل هوای گرفته شه.
So I attend in this pottery class which holds in this cafe, Aero Cafe, and we attend in the 3 hours class, but I explain my situation to the teacher that it's my first session and I want to experience a new thing, and she's really nice and helped me to get some stuff to make a simple thing in my first session. Put a hole in the dirt, and by pinching technique we should make this hole bigger.
نگاه کن خیلی ترک داره لبه ها، باید یه ظرف آب بذاریم کنار دستت. آره اما نازکیش جالبه که خوب نازک در آوردی. اما ببین اینجا لبه فرق که این داره پاره میشه. آره به خاطر همین
یک نواخت نیست.
آفرین. الان ما دوباره اسپری میزنیم روش، دوباره جمع از اول.
So it wasn't good enough and I should make that from the first step. So I got a yes, and it seems it's getting better, but it's really hard. I didn't think this kind of stuff and doing this kind of stuff, it's really hard, and you should have a lot of attention to this part.
کارمونو داره راه میندازه. حالا مرحله بعدی اینجوری میبینی تمام مدتم دستم پشت کاره، چون کارت نازکه. اگه کارت ضخامت بیشتری داشت نیاز نبود این کار رو انجام بدی.
I'm waiting for my dish to dry for 10 minutes in front of the fan, and after that I'm supposed to add something on it.
خب بعد دیگه جونم واسط بگه.
اوکی الان زاویه‌اش.
آره این یه ذره خب اینجا رو یه ذره زیاد فشار دادیم، یه ذره فرو رفتگی داره، ما یه ذره لایتش میکنیم. یعنی کار خاصی نداره. باز به نظرم ضخامت دسته یکم براش زیاده هنوز. وای که چقدر این شده هنوز. هشپا خوبه. هشپا مال کلاس مجسمه سازیه، بعد تا الان تا هشپا کار کنیم.
دوباره از فقط من بیام
این حرکت رو انجام بدیم. حالا بریم چیز پیسش هم بکنیم ارغوان جا چیز تو کاری نداری؟
نه ببینیم چه کار باید کنیم. دارم صاف
دقیقا سطح اضافهش و هر جا که ناصافه یه لحظه به من بده. با این چرا؟
با چی کار کنم؟
الان
I heard that this store is the oldest thing you can see in this cafe, and it belongs to, I think, 500 years ago, and they put it in here to show the history of this cafe, and it's really interesting. And beside of that, beside of this workshop we are working pottery in it, there is a local store that sell these kind of stuff, and it's really amazing and beautiful. All these vases are made from pottery too. Look at these kind of things. These stuff are all made of powder, and they really look amazing. Look at this one.
ادامه حرفشون.